Hello everyone. In today's video, I will try to explain what is the difference in crosset lubrication between a MAN BMW engine and a Sulzer engine. So this is one of the most frequently asked question in interviews. They ask it in many different ways. They can directly ask you that what is the difference in crosset lubrication between a MAN BMW engine and a Sulzer engine, or they can ask you like why a different crosset lubricating pump is required for a Sulzer engine, or they can ask you that what is the difference in lubrication system between a MAN BMW engine and a Sulzer engine. So if you are going to answer this question, the answer will be more or less the same. You have to explain the same thing. So let's see what's the difference. So if you consider the lubrication system of a MAN BMW engine and a Sulzer engine, you will find out that it is almost the same with a few minor differences. But if you consider the difference in cross-site lubrication, you will find a big picture here. I have written it down for you. So as you can see, in case of MAN BMW engine, the no separate pump, cross-site lubricating pump is there. The pump that is used for lubricating the main bearings also supplies oil to the cross-site bearing at a pressure of about 3 to 5 bar. But in case of Sulzer engines, a separate cross-site lubricating pump is there that pressurizes the oil at a pressure of about 12 to 16 bar. So much higher considered to MAN BMW engines. Now, it will be asked that why such high pressure is needed or why a separate pump is required. So in order to understand this concept, first you must understand that what is the difference between a cross-site bearing and other bearings. So if you consider the loads on the cross-site bearing, the movements of the cross-site bearing, you will find out that the bottom half or the lower half of the cross-site bearing is always loaded. And if you consider the movement, you will also find out that its movement is also a bit different from those of journal bearings. It has reversal points. So to achieve pure hydrodynamic lubrication in cross-site bearing, it's very difficult. So both these companies have their own strategy to counteract these problems. So let's find out what what is the system of cross-site lubrication in these types of engine. So in case of MAN BMW engine, you will find out that the size of the crossset or the diameter of the crossset bearing is quite larger compared to those of Sulzer engines. What it does is actually it utilizes a hollow crossset pin that is by taking almost same amount of material, it makes the size or diameter of the crossset bearing much larger. What advantage it gets is that if the crossset bearing is subjected to same amount of combustion pressure, due to the larger area of the crossset bearing, that pressure will be divided, or the force that will be acting on the crossset bearing will be much less, because as you all know, pressure equals to force by area. So we're increasing the area here by increasing the diameter. So the force on the crossset bearing becomes much less. This is one of the advantage. Another advantage that we get by increasing the diameter of the crossset bearing is that the circumferential velocity that is available becomes much higher. As we increase the diameter, the velocity that is available at the circumference is much higher. So higher velocity at the interface gives better hydrodynamic lubrication. As you all know, higher velocity facilitates hydrodynamic lubrication. But in case of Sulzer engines, as you can see, a solid crossset pin is there. This is because Sulzer utilizes hydrostatic lubrication for crossset bearing, and that's make all the difference, because the high pressure oil that is supplied by the crossset pump is enough to separate the crossset pin and the crossset bearing. So no such arrangements is required in case of Sulzer engines. Now, another point that you must know is that in case of MAN BMW engines, there is a well-distributed machined oil grooves. As you can see here, oil grooves is there. A well-distributed machined oil grooves are there that facilitates the oil retaining capacity of the bearing, and it also helps to carry the oil film at the lower part of the bearing, that is the loaded area of the bearing. You can see how it is machined to carry the oil to the loaded area of the bearing from both the sides. You can see here. So this also facilitates hydrodynamic lubrication. But in case of Sulzer engines, plain bearing surface is provided, as you can see here. Some may think that these are oil grooves. So these are not oil grooves like this MAN BMW crosshead bearing. You can see there is a well-distributed oil groove here, but these grooves are just to distribute the oil. These don't have the purpose as in case of MAN BMW engine. In Sulzer engine, the higher oil pressure, that is the 12 to 16 bar oil pressure, is enough to separate the crosshead pin from the crosshead bearing. So that's the main difference. I think now it will be very much clear to you. Still, if you have any difficulty in understanding the difference between these two, you can comment it down and I will do my best to answer. Thank you.